And what we're going to actually want to do is we're going to want to create a post on our blog, and we're going to want to do what I call a... Yo, what is going on, guys? Paul James here, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to share with you how a one-page blog post generated close to $2,000. Now, this is really crazy, guys, because I think recurring income that happens pretty much passively is definitely something that you need in your business, because you don't want to constantly have to be like working all the time and never being able to take vacation. So if you can set these kinds of things up in your business, you're going to be a lot better off. So if you're excited about making one of these blog posts for yourself, go ahead and smash that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, again, what's up? I'm Paul James. We do this type of thing pretty much weekly. We do like 3 videos a week. We talk about building businesses, entrepreneurship, all that kind of stuff. And I would appreciate it if you'd go and drop below this video and hit that subscribe button. And do me a favor, after you subscribe, just comment on the video saying I've subscribed, and I will do my best to reply back to you. I love replying back to each and every one of my brand new YouTube subscribers, because you're part of the family now, and I like to welcome you to the family because that's just how we do it around here. Alright guys, so we're going to get into the video. We're going to break this down. I don't want to waste any more time. Let's go hop on the computer behind me and break it down. If you ain't beefing about the money, then what's the problem? Alright guys, so let's get started. I'm really excited for this one because so many of you guys have been asking how to do this and how to implement this and how to do affiliate marketing. So I'm really excited to bring this one to you because I think this is something that anybody can really do. It's not very hard to go out there and create a blog. It's not very hard to go out there and structure one of these single page posts to do this. And there's just so much income potential, whether you keep earning off of this residual income that comes in passively every month, or whether you decide to go in and flip the entire site and sell it, because you can flip these sites for like 10 to 20 times whatever the income is, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and jump into the method. We need to find a niche that we're going to work in, and one of the good ways to find a niche is to hop into something even just like YouTube. So there's a difference between 2 types of niches. There's like a broad niche, which means like you're covering like the whole spectrum of everything. So think of a broad niche, something like music or something like fitness. How would we drill down into a niche to go more specific? Because that's really what we want to do. So we want to create, this post that's specific about one very particular, very specific topic. So if we're talking about fitness as a overall broad topic, we might decide to go into yoga as our pinpoint. We want to target the yoga market. So what we want to do is we want to head into YouTube and just start typing in I like to start with the keyword best, because when you're typing in best, what usually happens is you end up seeing the things or the products that people are searching for, or the different things that people are searching for when it comes to that thing. So I might start typing best yoga, and let's just say, okay, I see mat. So I'm looking at here, yoga pants, yoga workout, yoga music. So yoga workout, yoga music, those aren't really going to be affiliate topics. They could be if I was doing digital products, but if I'm talking about physical products, like stuff that people buy, we're looking at stuff like pants, stuff like mat. Videos maybe, but I think mat is a good one and pants are a good one. So let's start typing mat. Okay, now we're getting even more specific here. Look at how much we can drill down even more. So this would be good. But if we could drill down even more and get it very, very specific, now we've got best yoga mat for hot yoga, best yoga mat bag, best yoga mats for men, best yoga mat for carpet, right? These are some really, really specific and good ideas that we can actually work off of now. So I'm going to go with this one, best yoga mat for hot yoga. And what we're going to actually want to do is we're going to want to create a post on our blog, and we're going to want to do what I call a top 5 post. And top 5 posts are great because it doesn't make you look biased towards any specific product. So when someone comes to your site and they look at this list of things, they're going to be like, okay, wow, this is cool. He actually did a good comparison on all of the different ones that are out there. He's not just, getting paid to make this recommendation for one specific product from one specific company. He kind of has an unbiased approach towards all 5. So that's really the best approach in my opinion. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on that top 5 blog posts, and I'm going to kind of show you what the structure of that looks like. And that's, how we were able to accomplish this number here. All right, so what we could do is we could go on Amazon and we could start searching for this. So we could type in yoga mat for hot yoga, and we could kind of see the different types of mats that pop up. And the good part is Amazon has their own affiliate program. So you can literally promote the exact same products that are on Amazon. And there's a lot of benefits to that, right? Because people trust Amazon. Amazon already has built up the trust. So they're comfortable with giving their information to Amazon. Now, there's a caveat to that, because a lot of times they don't even have to give their information to Amazon to purchase, because Amazon has so many credit cards already on file, because they have what's called a Prime membership. You can see a lot of these listings are marked Prime. What that means is that people pay a premium every single year to be a part of that Prime membership. And it includes some benefits like free shipping and stuff like that, and expedited shipping. Like, I'm a member of it. I get stuff in 2 days, sometimes even 1 day, just for being a member of it. And it's super fast shipping, and it's a big plus. But with that means that their credit card information is on file. Like, when you buy something, you literally don't have to type in your credit card. You just click buy and you're done. So it's a lot of benefits for why you might want to be an affiliate for Amazon, which is kind of what I recommend if you're going to go this route. So you've got basically a bunch of like these different products that you can go through now, and you can grab a lot of content for your blog post just off of these products. But here's another really good tip. Check out the reviews, because in the reviews, you're going to find tons and tons of content that you can use in your post. And you can even use these as testimonials on your blog post. Okay, so now that we know our niche, we know how to drill down, we know how to find, serious keywords that maybe you would have never thought of. We know how to find the products we're going to promote. We need to know how to structure this blog post so that people actually land on the site and actually decide that they want to buy from you. So I'm going to hop into my whiteboard app here, and I'm going to basically structure what this blog post looks like. Again, we're basically replicating this strategy, this screenshot that I took of the earnings from this site. This is from one single blog post again. Now, I could decide to leave this sit, or we could decide to go and flip this site if we wanted for 10 to 15 times that revenue, which is awesome. Okay, actually you can even go up to like 20 plus times. I've seen a lot of sites do that. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna draw a box, and I want you to think of this box like a website. So this is your blog post. Okay, so this is your single one-page blog post right here. So what we want is we wanna have a section that has our headline. So this is going to be your headline. We'll say top 5 headline. And in this headline, it's basically going to say something like, the top 5 yoga mats for hot yoga. So that's going to be somewhere at the top. Let me grab my pen tool. We're going to say sub headline. Now your sub headline is going to want to be the promise. So you could say something like, in this blog post, we're going to help you drill down on the best yoga mats for hot yoga so that you can figure out which one is right for you. So you could just kind of give your promise. People want to hear what it is they're coming to the page for. You're kind of delivering exactly what it is they want to hear right away. Okay, now on the sidebar, we'll get into the rest of the post, but I want to talk specifically now about the sidebar. The sidebar has some very specific elements that we like to build up trust with. And one of them is an About Us badge. So in this About Us badge, if you want to put like a picture, or like maybe you have like a pen name you're running under, or you just want to talk about the site and who you are as a site, like you could say, we're yoga enthusiasts and we love reviewing yoga products and talking about yoga. That's what this section is for, and it's kind of designed to build up trust, to convince people, okay, this is a real genuine person behind this blog post. It's not just some like spammer or someone out there. It's like a real genuine company or blog, or just person behind it. And then below that, we like to put another box below that that has similar products. So I'll just put similar product. Okay, so similar product recommendations below that. So this could be stuff that's not hot yoga. You could go back to your keyword list inside of YouTube, and when we started typing in best, we got like best yoga pants. So in this section could be like, hey, do you need some yoga pants to go with your yoga mat? That type of thing. That's what you want on the sidebar. But the main content of the blog is going to basically be here, and it's going to start going down on the left side, and this is where you're going to do all of your selling. Okay, so let me explain what's going on right here. This is your table section, and what a table section is it's kind of a comparison of all of the products you're promoting. So the products that you found on Amazon that you got an affiliate link for through your affiliate program, the Amazon Associates program. And you're basically going to have a list of the products right here. So you'd have product 1, product 2, product 3. Of course, you'll have 5 of them. I just only drew 4. And you'll have the name of the product. So you want to have the name in these boxes of each product. And then we like to also put the price point. of it. So if people are trying to drill down by price, you can help them better make that decision. And you just have them kind of listed here in a chart. So it's like a nice looking table or a chart that they can see a quick overview of exactly what they're going to get. Now you can hyperlink all of these right away to go to your affiliate page on Amazon. So below that, what we want to do is we want to actually go down and start reviewing each product individually now. So this would be product 1. Again, you'll review what the price point was of that. And then you're gonna have a quick description about the product in here. You know, do a pretty thorough review here. And the most important part is that at the end of this thorough review, you wanna have a buy button at the bottom that says buy on Amazon. And that's the key, because again, Amazon's already built up the trust for you. So you wanna signal that, hey, you don't have to take any risk with us. This is actually coming from Amazon. So that's kind of the key here. All right, so you're gonna wanna do that with all the products. So basically below there, you're gonna have product 2, product 3, and then below all of that, so you're gonna have basically 5 of those. Below all of that, you're gonna have a final section, and this is gonna be your content section. And this section is mainly for SEO purposes. So this is where you're gonna wanna stuff your keywords, where you're gonna wanna have your optimized content with your bolding, italicizing. You wanna put some images in there. Videos are even helpful. And this is for SEO purposes, but what this section basically is about the topic at large. Okay, so this is gonna be not really about products in particular, it's gonna be about the topic at large. So you're gonna talk about basically hot yoga or hot yoga mats, or even yoga in general, but I really think it's important to have those phrases in there of the hot yoga mats. So let's zoom out a little bit. Let's see a final overview of this entire thing here. So this is the entire blog post. This is like the money blog post, how you structure it, how you find the keywords, how you put the products on there, and what you want it to look like. All right, guys, what did you think of that? If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and comment below. Let me know your thoughts. I'm also gonna do something really huge. Don't miss this. I'm putting together a free workshop on everything that goes into affiliate marketing. I'm talking literally everything that went into setting up this exact blog post. I'm gonna let you inside and show you more about the niche that we did and how we did it. So I'm gonna drop a card up here somewhere. I'm gonna drop a link in the video description. Go ahead and sign up for that workshop, and we'll see you there. I hope you can make it. If you can't make it, sign up anyways, and I'll send you a replay. Well, I'm just so excited to share this with you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.